Welcome back. Today we will introduce the academic module, and specifically we will look at attendance. In this section, you can manage students' attendance. This includes their presences, absences, or late arrivals. There are 4 available methods of recording absences, presences, or late arrivals. The default method is set by the admin. To see the attendance, you have to go here, Academic Tasks, Attendance, and then we can see the subject attendance right here. It's our example. The first method for taking attendance is per timetable period. You can add absences per student of a specific group at a specific date and timetable period. By going to Subjects Attendance, you can select the filters you want from up here, as you can see, such as the date, the educator, the group, and the timetable category and timetable session. Let's choose a date for here, and let's choose Ellenborg year 6B and choose here mathematics class. Here are the students of this specific session. I mean at mathematics year 6 at this specific time and date with Ellenborg. So now let's continue. When you click the show, you'll get the list of the students who are enrolled in that specific subject, as we said. By default, those students are marked as present, which is indicated by the P right here next to their photo. If you deactivate here the A, for example, the student is present. For example, if you click here at absence, you can see that an A appears here. That means the student is absent. If you click here on late, you can see an L. That means the student is late. You can also choose at the category column right here that if the student is present in class or present online. Let's put here present online and all the others are present in class. You can also choose a reason at absent, maybe with doctor permission, parent informed, or any other reason. Let's put doctor permission here. And of course, you can choose a delayed or late to do school duties. Let's leave the delay here. You can also write some comments here. And just like that, you have all your absences. If you click on Save and Submit, all your absences will be saved. So you can see here with colors that all the presences and absences are saved. You can see here that absence not saved yet. Click here and we are ready. You see your absences are saved. Another method is per day. You can add the number of absences per specific date. That depends to the school, of course, the method of attendance. In that case, you can use the date, lecturer, and class filters to show the list of students. Exactly right here. And then you follow the steps we said before. You can also take attendance per subject. You can add the number of absences for a specific subject at a specific date. Here you will use the filters date, lecturer, class, and unit filters to show the list, and follow again the exact same steps like here. And then the last method is based on timetable. You can add absences per student of a specific group at a specific date, at a specific time period, and for a specific subject based on timetable entries. Let me mention here that timetable creation is mandatory with this option. In this method, you will use the date, lecturer, class, timetable categories, and periods filters to show students. And then again, you follow the exact same steps like here. Now let's go to service attendance. In this section, you can record students' absences at extracurricular activities. You select the filters you want again from up here. For example, let's select a date we want here. Let's put March 13. Let's choose chess. The educator comes automatically when we choose the service we want, and the timetable period is without timetable because we want to see the other activities of the children. By clicking on show, we can see the students who are enrolled at the specific service. Here we have just 4 students. And now we can take presences, absences with the exact same way as before. You can also take notes like before. You can click on present in class or online. Very easy. Then we have the attendance list. Here you can get statistics and manage students' absences. Use the attendance type from here, what you want to see, absent, late or present. Let's leave the absent. The date range, let's put last 30 days. Let's see that attendance category, let's put sick with doctor's permission. Let's put main attendance only and click on search. Here we can see the students that who were absent at this date range for this reason. And here you can see more details about the student, like the class they missed, the group they are, the teacher who submitted this attendance, their father and mother name, etc. And then we have attendance analysis. In this section, you can have a variety of attendance statistics. Use the date range from here. Let's choose academic period. You can choose here the excused status, all year. Let's put year 6, year 6B. If you want a specific subject or if you want them all, let's just look for mathematics. And you can also select a query type from here. By selecting query type, you can view absences, absence percentage, and more in whatever way suits you best. Let's choose students attendance percentage. You can also set some filters, absences below, above, or equal to a number you wish, for example, above 6, and click on search. Here we can see in percentage everything. You can see the full name of the student, the not excused, the excused, the total. Then we can do it like that. This allows you to easily um, watch all the statistics you want and be informed all the time. So, the Attendance tab allows you to easily take attendance, view statistics, and have a complete overview of its students' absences and presences. That was all. With these very simple procedures, you can easily monitor your students' absences. Hope it was helpful. See you in the next video.